when I wake up in the morning and the alarm gives out a warning, I don't think I'll ever make it on time. By the time I grab my books and I give myself a look, I'm at the corner just in time to see the bus fly by. It's alright, cause I'm saved by the bell. If the teacher pops a test, I know I'm in a mess, and my dog ate all my homework last night. Riding low in my chair, she won't know that I'm there. If I can hand it in tomorrow, it'll be alright. It's alright, cause I'm saved by the bell. Cause I'm saved by the. It's alright, cause I'm saved by the. It's alright, cause I'm saved by the bell.
When I wake up in the morning, gotta keep some class from forming, and I gotta get to Twilight School by noon. And I've got less than an hour, it'll take all of my power, but I know that I can make it with my sonic rain boom. It's alright, cause I'm saved by my friend. Changeling on the ceiling and a griffin with big feelings. All these students and I don't know what to do, but they don't even need a ruler, cause I'm 20% cooler, teaching what my students need to know in friendship school. It's alright, cause I'm saved by my. It's alright, cause I'm saved by my. It's alright, cause I'm saved by my friends.
All new season starts Saturday, March 24th at 11:30 a.m. only on Discovery Family.